Hello, my name is Abhishek Singh Chauhan, and today I am going to discuss trigonometry from starting. If anyone who does not know what is trigonometry or he is not good at trigonometry, then he can start right from here, right from now. I am going to start with the very basics one. So, what we are going to start is trigonometry. Anyone who is not aware of sine, cos, theta, each and everything, he can join this lecture. Right, so trigonometry. So you don't have to be afraid of trigonometry now, because I am going to teach you from the basics where you were lagging. So just see. So anyone heard about triangles? If you have heard about triangles, then you can be be good in trigonometry, right? So have you heard about triangle? And that too, that triangle who used to have one side 90 degree. Have you ever heard this type of triangle which is having 90 degree at one of its sides? Let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? With the angle of theta, let's say. So have you heard about this triangle? This is a right angle triangle whose one side is 90 degree. Let's say B side is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle, and trigonometry is all totally based upon this type of triangles which has one side 90 degree. So totally you have seen this triangle, and now I am going to tell you that what are few sides called. If you haven't heard, then this side which is containing the theta angle, this side is called base, right? And opposite to 90 degree angle, this side is always a biggest side, you can say. This is the biggest side of all the triangles. This side is the biggest one as compared to AB and CB, right? So this is the hypotenuse. So this is the biggest side of the triangle, and opposite to the theta angle, this angle, opposite to theta angle, this side is perpendicular always, right? And this side at which theta rests is base with respect to 90 degree. So this side is base and this side is hypotenuse, which is opposite to the 90 degree angle, and opposite to theta angle is perpendicular. So don't see that this theta will be changing, right? So this theta can be here also. So in the case of here, I will be telling you, let's say this theta, this angle is alpha. Let's say this angle is alpha. So this is a triangle, and as you all know that sum of the triangle is 180 degree. Theta plus alpha plus 90 equals to 180. So this is the right angle triangle. So these are the sides, and now we are going to discuss that you might be seeing these sides. Let's say now I am making a triangle like this. So in this triangle, where is the base, where is the perpendicular, and where is the hypotenuse? As I told you before in this one, that opposite to the 90 degree angle, this one, this is hypotenuse. This is the biggest side of, as compared to these sides and these sides. This is the biggest side, and as I said, where the theta rests, theta is resting here, as 90 degree and theta rest here. So this is the base, right? And as I told you, opposite to theta is always perpendicular. So see, it looks like this way, but base is this and perpendicular is this. So it's not necessary that always the base is this. You can see that base always varies. You can't say, and if I say that this angle is alpha, and if he is asking for alpha, then this side, when getting reference with alpha, if he will be asking for alpha, right, then this will be the base, this will be the base, and this will be the perpendicular for alpha. So let's take another triangle as well, and I will be explaining you a few more terms. So this is a right angle triangle. Let's say ABC. This is angle theta and this is angle alpha, right? So you might be talking about sin x and cos x, right? Now from here they all have arrived. As I told you, if I talk about theta, then this is base and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, right? Now what is sin x, what is sin theta, what is sin alpha, each and everything now I will telling you. So write down this type, remember this P write down this. So what is this? I will telling you. Let's say if triangle is given like this, and if he asks what is sin theta, what is sin theta, right? So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is perpendicular, you can see this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Let's say this is P and this is H, let's say. So perpendicular hypotenuse is sin theta, perpendicular is P and hypotenuse is H. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And to remember this thing, that sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, you can make this thing, you can remember, you can make a chart of it, you can make a note of it, that this is P by H is for sin theta, B by H is for cos theta, and P by B is tan theta. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin theta, base upon hypotenuse is cos theta, perpendicular upon base is tan theta. Can you see? Right. So we will be using this. Remember this, memorize it, learn it. Right. So what are the bases? That's this triangle, the angle theta 90 degree, ABC. Okay, so this is the, if he is asking what is, suppose this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, suppose it is given there, and he is asking what is sin theta. So as I told you that sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is always the opposite sides of theta. This is perpendicular, and where the theta rests with 90 degree, that is base, this is base, and the longest side is opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, right? So as I told you, sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It is 4 by 5 is sin theta for this triangle. This is the, okay, I will be explaining you more.